It's been a long time. Actually, not such a long time because I went live recently. And now we're back again with some of the members of Team Loyalty. But the thing about Team Loyalty is that they're now also Team Late Night Party, so half of them have no idea where they are. But Hamid and Arushi are going to be here, and we're also going to be joined by the Gift of Gratitude Cup right there as well. So, first up, let's just add Arushi and Hamid. I think I see Arushi over here. I'm not sure whether I see Hamid. Okay, adding Arushi. And then we'll move on to Hamid as well. And welcome to Sunday. Welcome to Sunday afternoon. It's a lovely Sunday. Hello.
Hey!
It's
Oh,
still
I see
here.
that. Thank you so much.
It's still here. And it is still alive. It's still doing well. And there's still green tea in it.
I'm happy that you're using it.
It is. It actually has become one of my favorite cups for green tea. And actually, nothing else seems to kind of really work in it. It's not a coffee mug. It's not a tea mug. It's very specifically. I don't know why it's got stuck in my head. Very specifically, ये सिर्फ green tea के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा और कोई चीज के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं होगा.
Maybe
That's it.
because of its calm green tone.
It's yes, the soothing the soothing color of the cup itself. Very nice. So how have
Ah,
you been? आप वापस
good.
आओ ये गोवा से?
Finally back in Delhi. पर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं क्यों आई हूँ क्योंकि दिल्ली का पोल्यूशन तो नेक्स्ट लेवल जा रहा है अब. I'm missing Goa. I'm missing that chill
This is
life
Goa.
there.
This is actually Goa's secret. जो भी गोवा से वापस आता है ना, चाहे वो दिल्ली जाए या हैदराबाद या बैंगलोर या मुंबई, सबको लगता है कि यार मैं वापस क्यों आ गया. I need to go back.
Cool. मुझे
There's
लग रहा है
some
मुझे वहाँ
magic यार.
शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा अब क्योंकि 2-3 weeks is not enough to live that life.
बट यू नो जब आपने पहले मुझे बताया कि आप गोवा जाने वाले थे तो मैंने सोचा कि शायद एक वीकेंड के लिए या मैक्सिमम एक हफ्ते के लिए एंड देन यू सेड यू आर गोइंग फॉर 2 or 3 weeks. I'm like, wow, that is the way to experience Goa.
Yeah.
Not over a weekend. You really need to go and spend time there, explore the place, get onto a bike, check out different beaches, different shacks, different places. There's so much to
Much
do in Goa.
more, yeah, than just partying in Goa. There's so much more. The lifestyle, the people there, the food, the kind of lifestyle they've generated, a healthy living. I loved it.
So listen, before we bring Hamid on and he wows us with his entire Dubai stories, tell me what all you did in Goa, because एक तो मैंने देखा कि आपने बहुत सारे collaborations किए, बहुत सारे अलग-अलग hotels में रहे, and some of them were like really pretty heritage hotels as well. फिर आपने dance classes भी किए वहाँ पे. How did you
Yeah,
find that place? And did you also do yoga? No,
yeah,
you did yoga as well,
yes.
and you ate, and you spent time on beaches. And am I allowed to ask this question? Were you really solo traveling?
Maybe,
क्योंकि
maybe not.
आपका जो लेटेस्ट ब्लॉग है जो आप बनाने
Huh.
वाले हैं, it's for solo female travelers, right, in Goa?
Yeah, yeah.
But were you solo traveling?
A part of it I was. A part of it I
Okay,
was joined with other friends. But
ठीक है,
yeah.
fair enough.
Hmm.
I will stop scratching my beard now. So tell me what all you did. Tell me what all you did in Goa.
So it was a pretty wholesome trip. I started with exploring different resorts, collaborating with them. तो मुझे था कि जितना हो सके मैं अपना बजट फ्रेंडली ट्रिप रखूं. तो I visited different resorts which were very very welcoming. मतलब उस समय मुझे एक्चुअली लोकल जो है गोवा के उनसे बात करने को मिला. A lot of roadies fans were there, which made me feel
Yes, I
very
saw that.
welcome. नहीं तो मुझे ऐसा होता था कि कभी भी कोई पूछता था ना लोकलाइट, चाहे मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ चाहे मैं गोवा में हूँ, when they ask where are you from, मुझे ना दिल्ली बोलते हुए एक हिचक होती है because they have this mentality for Delhi people. I know. तो
I wonder why. You know, really, Arushi.
because Delhi people
मैं
are
तो
loud. I
what
totally
is the
understand
Hindi
it.
word for surprise?
बहुत
आश्चर्यचकित. मैं
चक्के
आश्चर्यचकित हूँ
आश्चर्यचकित.
कि गोवा के लोग दिल्ली के लोग से इतने
They
नफरत is a
born
wrong
in
word,
Bombay,
but why do they have
Pune,
so many?
मतलब whole southern part, I feel. And they're very right in thinking that because Delhi या northern India का part थोड़ा सा loud है. And also, generally Delhi people, they kind of mistreat people. I've had friends telling me that. So
I
anyway,
have no idea what you're talking about.
uh,
No idea whatsoever. No, no, no.
हमारे खून में होता है थोड़ा loud होना, which people feel a little awkward about having us around. तो मुझे
Listen,
था कि
मैं तो सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि जो कुछ भी आप कह रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं किसी हद तक सही है, बट आई लव पीपल फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ बिकॉज दे आर वेरी ओपन हार्टेड, दे आर लार्जर देन लाइफ. बट समटाइम्स जब आप गोवा में चिल कर रहे होते हैं ना, व्हेन यू आर ऑन द बीच एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू टेक थिंग्स इजीली,
Yeah.
लाउडर देन लाइफ, लार्जर देन लाइफ इज नॉट व्हाट यू वांट, इज नॉट
Yes.
व्हाट यू आस्क फॉर ऑन द मेन्यू.
Yes.
So yeah, I can understand that. So what are you doing on your vlogs?
So it's more involving how I visited these resorts, got in contact with these resorts, because there are people who follow me for. They also want to get into this line of create. Oh hi!
Hello.
Mr. Dubai return.
What's up?
What's up? This feels so amazing after so long.
I know, man. And the network is also good. Everybody's crystal clear.
Yeah.
मैं तो नया फोन निखिल सर के साथ लाइव आना है तो फोन ले लेते हैं नया.
अरे कौन सा ले तूने
Arey,
सामने?
wow. Arey, wow. Well done. Sorry. Ruja. Arushi was telling us about her vlogs. Like, what are you putting into your
So
vlogs?
it'll
on your
have
YouTube channel?
different places. So, like people know Cubana, people know Curly's, people know these जो major places. But then I went to such new, some new cafes which were really, they are there for a reason. Like there's a cafe called Gratitude Cafe, which I loved. It's based on vegan food, which is one part of it. But then the people who are running it, they have a collaboration done every weekend where they have. तो lockdown के time पे क्या हुआ था? People couldn't afford things. मतलब उनका businesses run नहीं हो रहे थे. So this cafe helped those small businesses set up their small stalls there and helping people, the community that way. So yeah, I got to experience that, and then in the last week I got to experience a very beautiful dance program, which was less of commercial dancing, more of like exploring your inner self, meditation, yoga and stuff. So it was
And
a
this was
wholesome-
intense, right? It wasn't like a half-hour class or a 1-hour class. It was like
No, it
really
was 3
intense.
hours. One class used to be 3 hours, and we had 3 classes like that, and plus the meditation, plus the yoga thing. And we were living at this very beautiful resort called Samata in Arambol, and it's like a foresty resort, which gave a very good vibe. Yeah, as if we were living in a very natural environment, eating clean food. It had its own organic garden, from which the whole produce came from that garden. So a nice
But
living
listen,
experience.
let's just say this: if you're going to go out to party, please don't go to Arambol.
Ah,
don't
no,
go.
yes.
Please don't go to Morjim or to Ashram. I mean, stay in Baga and
Yeah.
Kalangut and Kandu,
Yes.
right? That's the
Don't
party
ruin
place.
the other places. Yeah.
Don't go to Arambol. Terrible. Arambol is really bad for partying.
बेकार मत
There are
जाओ.
no parties over there. Like the people are not into partying at all. They're boring people. They're into like meditation and chilling and very bad. Don't go. Arambol. Just don't go Arambol. If you want to go to party, just don't. Please. Please. Hamid is like, what are they talking about?
At what Nikhil Chinnappa playing.
No,
music
Hamid is
there.
thinking, Arey, if you really want to go to party, you should go to Dubai.
Go to Dubai.
क्या?
दुबई में कुछ पार्टी वार्टी नहीं हो रही थी.
हाँ, actually काफी strict है यार वहाँ पे. Parties
वहाँ-
तो नहीं थे, मगर man, the photographs that you're posting of that water thing that you were doing looks like crazy.
Yeah. Very cool.
Sitted with them.
मगर क्या था वो? It's in the ocean, right? It's not in a water park.
It's in the beach basically, next to the beach. So लिखा हुआ I love Dubai. So it's called Aqua Fun.
Okay.
And it's रोडीज वाली फील आ रही थी.
यार मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इस रोडीज का पूरा सीजन वहीं पे शूट कर लेते हैं.
हो सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
हो
इतना
सकता
सही
है.
लग रहा था मुझे वहाँ पे.
उसकी वूट होस्ट मुझे बनाना सर.
और आरुषि क्या बोल रही है, दिल्ली वाले लोग बड़े लाउड होते हैं, हम इतने शरीफ लोग दिख नहीं रहे तेरे को.
यार हम हैं, बट वहां जाके कोई होते हैं.
दिल्ली वाले को नाम खराब है. दिल्ली वाले कितने इसके उसमें पूरे सीजन में चुपचाप खड़े थे.
हाँ देखे.
कुछ भी हिंदी वाले
True. True.
Don't say that. But what about Pune Gangster?
पुणे
Did
गैंग
you check out the episode? Pune
I would-
Gangster, man.
सर
ये
एयरपोर्ट
pose
पे
है.
देखा है, एयरपोर्ट पे देखा है मैंने वो पूरा एपिसोड.
Oh
I was-
wow.
Kevin-
Actually, the whole Splitsvilla episode is like a long introduction to
इंट्रोडक्शन.
all the contestants, and it's nice because they've really spoken about each contestant. You get to get a sense of who all the people are, the girls and the guys, and there's some really interesting characters in there. Asma is one of them who says, "मैं यहाँ पे प्यार में तबाह होने आई हूँ." क्यों आए हो Splitsvilla? प्यार में तबाह होने.
वो लड़की funny
What?
अब बर्बाद सब होने आई थी. वो तो कह रही थी बस क्या मुझे. एंड उसका वो एक बार उसने लगाया, लड़के को बोला कि मैंने आपको लगाया, मेरे को चूज करना आप, ठीक है.
Cute.
Very, very, very interesting characters, and the girls looked amazing. The guys looked like
Yeah.
really, really sculpted. All
Yeah.
every single guy. In fact, यार मुझे लगता है कि केविन का बॉडी तो काफी सही है. He's a wiry, skinny guy. But वो बाकी के बॉडीज के सामने तो मुझे थोड़ा बुरा
हाँ,
लगा
हल्का
केविन
लग
के.
रहा था.
हल्का लग रहा था बट हल्का है नहीं.
है नहीं.
हल्का है नहीं. He's a fighter. Like
फाइट एग्जैक्टली.
in all, and the thing is, because Kevin is such an out there person, I don't know whether he's here. Should we I'm just going to check because he's in Goa right now and
Go out with someone.
he's killing Goa with someone. In fact, he was in Goa at the same time as you, I think.
Yeah. We planned on meeting, but we couldn't meet because the day he got free, I had my flight.
Oh.
I just thought, okay, I thought, but Kevin made a great start. All these girls were giving arrows. They had 1 gold arrow and 2 silver arrows to give to all the guys. And Kevin got 4 golds and 2 silver.
Two silver.
So
He's all-
शुरुआत उसकी and the interesting thing was the guy who had the best physique out of them all is a guy called Jay. मगर उसने अपने प्रोफाइल में ना सब लड़कों के साइड में उनका प्रोफाइल या बायोडेटा लिखा हुआ था. उसने कैसनोवा लिखा था उस पे. So I think the girls saw the Casanova bit and they went like, नहीं इसको तो मैं arrow नहीं दूंगी. But he had the best physique of them all. Like really, I think he's a gymnast, really ripped. And then everybody else was like, there's another guy called Nikhil who also got 6 arrows, 3 gold and 3 silver. But there's one guy that I want to add now, he was the first guy to get revealed. And I just want to ask him what his experience was. And Arushi and Hamid, you can also turn into interviewers.
Hi.
Hello.
Team Loyalty, meet Gary. This is Gary Lou. He's one of the
Hi,
contestants
Hi,
of
Arushi.
Splitsvilla.
Cutie.
Hi, Amit.
Hi,
Or
Gary.
jab-
How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys? Big fan.
Gary, I'm just going to give Hamid and Arushi a little bit of context. Hamid ने तो episode देखा, Arushi ने शायद अभी तक देखा नहीं है. But after all the girls gave arrows, Gary was the first one to come out to reveal himself. Okay, and the girls had already been wowed by कि लड़कों का physique तो बहुत सही था. मगर जब Gary ने अपना hood उतारा ना, all the girls were like,
Yeah.
Gary is not a bad-looking guy. Let me
He's
put it
so
that way. He's not
cute.
a bad-
Thank you.
And with
Looks
that
like a-
physique, when he took it off, Gary, तूने भी notice किया होगा ना कि लड़कियों का expression क्या था उस time पे?
सर मैं ना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था. मतलब मैं पहले गोल मटोल सा था तो मुझे तो कोई भाव नहीं देती थी लड़की. फिर वहां पे जब मास्क खोला और लड़कियां कह रही, मैंने कहा यार ये कुछ गलत हो गया, ये दिख नहीं रहा इन्हें. यानी कुछ गलत देख के ऐसा लगा. मैंने कहा मजा.
तो पहले तो गोल मटोल था क्या?
हाँ सर, I was 94 kilos सर पहले. Now I'm 75. So really worked out.
तो ये स्पेसिफिक के लिए किया कि वैसी?
नहीं वैसी है. So yes.
तो
Helping him.
Gary, did you watch Roadies?
Sir, I'm big fan, super fan of Roadies and Splitsvilla, sir.
Really? So
Yes,
what do you have to say about Arushi and Hamid?
Sir, Arushi is a very personality, sir. And मतलब थोड़ा पहले बाहर निकल गई, but one of the like top 3 contenders. And Hamid sir, Hamid जब shine हुआ after that the basketball one.
सर मत बोल भाई प्लीज.
Boom bam.
अभी कोई नहीं, एपिसोड आंदो और सारे फिर हम आपको सर बोलेंगे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
गैरी सर. कैसे
Gary
कैसे
sir.
बनाना कैसे
Yeah,
बताना
we really need to drop this sir culture. यार. In fact, when I messaged Gary and said कि क्या तू free है, and you know we're having a chat with Arushi and Hamid, he also started sir. So I said, please, yeah, just my name is Nikhil. All my friends call me Nikhil. My parents call me Nikhil. My wife calls me Nikhil. So that's the name I like to be called by. This sir thing is something मुझे तो अजीब लगता है.
ये तो
Okay.
बड़ा
And I'm not saying it's bad. Like a lot of people, you call people sir out of respect, and it's good for you to do that with other people. मगर मेरे साथ please मुझे अपने नाम से बुलाओ. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Got it.
तो
निखिल
गैरी, जब आप सब वहाँ पे केरला में पहुंचे, आप क्वारंटीन में थे, मैं भी क्वारंटीन में था क्योंकि मेरा एक दूसरा शो चल रहा था, which we're not going to talk about as yet because we haven't spoken about it as yet.
अच्छा आपकी बात है
हाँ, मैं भी वहीं पे था लगभग.
ओ
मगर जब इनका शो शुरू हुआ था ना, जब शुरू हुआ था उस टाइम पे मेरा क्वारंटीन चल रहा था क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे लेट पहुंचा था. और शूट खत्म होने के बाद मेरे रूम के बाहर एक क्रू का बंदा चल रहा था. तो मैंने कहा कि यार कैसा गया, आज पहला दिन था शूट का. मुझे सब बहुत हालत खराब हो गई, सबको सनबर्न हो गया, पूरे लड़के सबके पीठ में सब जल. And is that what happened? Because you guys were standing on the beach in that outfit, and you guys got burned like crazy.
Yes sir.
who was that guy जो ऐसे खड़ा था
वो निखिल, his Nikhil.
निखिल,
ज्यादा
हाँ.
होगी I'm telling you सबसे ज्यादा उसकी बजी होगी ऐसे खड़ा था पूरे
मगर कम से कम उसके ऊपर कपड़े तो थे ना.
हाँ.
Gary was wearing some strap. Kevin का भी कोई स्ट्रैपी कोई ऐसा चीज था.
बॉडी बनाई
इनके
है
पीठ तो छिल गए एकदम से.
अरे मजा भी तो आ रहा है लड़कियों को बॉडी है उनको मजा आ रहा है बट वो बेचारा ऐसे ही खड़ा है
Look at Arushi giggling. She's like, ये एपिसोड तो देखना ही पड़ेगा.
देखना पड़ेगा.
वेरी नाइस
So what was that experience like, Gary, standing in the sun?
सर पहली बात तो मतलब मैं कभी शूटिंग वो करा नहीं, और बाद वहाँ खड़े थे तो रन सर आते हैं, कहते हैं कि वेरी गुड जॉब बॉयज, मतलब कि दिमाग में सोचो तुम्हारे फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं. मैंने कहा फिर सर वो उसके बाद मतलब वहाँ पे खड़े रहे, और सर मतलब ऐसा हुआ कि एवरीबडी गॉट टैन बट आई गॉट लाइक बर्न्ट, लॉबस्टर बर्न्ट. तो
Yeah, because your skin is also lighter, so you must
Yes.
have like burnt like this.
उसके बाद सर फिर उसके बाद जैसे ही शूट खत्म हुआ क्रीम लगा रहा था सर, पता नहीं बहुत बर्न्ट हुआ सर. बिल्कुल मेरा तो सब नया स्किन आया. I'm like a new person now.
You're like, oh, you got new skin now.
Yes sir, सब नया स्किन.
तो यार जब एक बात बताओ, जब आप स्प्लिट्सविला जा रहे थे, तो you must have looked at yourself in the mirror and said, listen, I've got a good physique, so I'm going to be one of the top contenders there. जब आप वहां पे पहुंचे तो आपने देखा कि सारे लड़के आप ही की तरह एकदम बफ वर्कआउट है. तो उस टाइम पे आपको कैसा लगा?
सर मैंने कहा यार ये तो गलत हो गया. मैंने कहा यार क्योंकि सर मैंने थोड़ी सब देखा है, अब बॉडी वाले इतने आते मतलब कि बॉडी वाले रोड पे सेलेक्ट नहीं होते. आप बॉडी बिल्डर को थोड़ी लेते हो, आप उनको जो परफॉर्म कर सके.
हाँ, जैसे हामिद को देखो, हल्का फुल्का सा.
नहीं सर, हम तो अच्छी बॉडी है सर, पर वो परफॉर्मेंस पर वहाँ पे सर मैंने
कभी कुछ नहीं होते मुझसे
इतने मोटे एब्स निकाल के लोग खड़े हैं बाइक फूले में. मेरी फट गई सर वहाँ पे. मैंने कहा मेरी बॉडी तो बहुत कम है, ये आ गया यार, गलत आ गया.
ब्रो नहीं आपको ये पॉजिटिव लगा बट बॉडी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ ये तो हामिद that's
कुछ लोग
like,
लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करना है बस ये एंड मैंने
I think-
एक प्रोमो देखा है जिसमें क्या थोड़ा गुस्से में आई डोंट नो तो कोई रोप पोप था उसके बारे में बात करते अभी बट थोड़ा गुस्से में लग रहा था यार.
मस्त है वो बहुत.
I think also next week people are going to get to see the villa itself, which is really beautiful. बहुत ही साइज इस विला इस साल प्रोड्यूसर्स ने बनाया, क्योंकि मैं भी वहाँ पे गया था देखने के लिए कि Ranjit took me for a little tour on the place when the contestants were not there. It was just outstandingly beautiful. You'll get to see it next week, I think. And there's a gigantic pool also in the middle of it, right?
Yes sir, वो तो I sir, oh my god sir, if I miss something from Splitsvilla is that pool, that's all.
No girl, nothing.
No god. The swimming pool is my love sir, oh my god.
In fact, you know what? I don't know कि Splitsvilla का season कैसे निकलेगा, but the kind of relationships we had on roadies, I think sometimes are better than the relationships they have on Splitsvilla. There's actually some real connections happen on roadies more than Splitsvilla sometimes.
कह रहा है missing is the swimming pool. Good one, yaar.
Ah. What will you remember about Spritzula? No, that girl that I met, I gave my heart to an swimming pool, sir. I gave my heart to the swimming pool.
Sir, actually, he's honest.
Blue water, sir. Blue water.
Yes, sir. Clean water, sir. Amazing.
Anyway, Gary, just want to call you here to say, do you guys have any questions to ask Gary, Arushi, and Hamid?
Did he find his love finally, or is it still a mystery?
That will remain a mystery. That will remain a mystery. You can't ask questions like that because the whole season is.
But how was your experience, Gary?
मुझे लगा वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस यार, मतलब इतने जिस हिसाब से इस बार लेवल हुआ है, मतलब वाज अमेजिंग द चैलेंजेस एंड ऑल. आई फेल्ट बीच कोई चैलेंज एंड मतलब कहाँ हुए, मतलब टोटल में तो मैं बोलूंगा मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. जो भी हुआ, सनबर्न हुआ, ये हुआ, अभी मेरे फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. प्यार अरुणाचल से
धूप में खड़ा होना काम आ रहा है, मतलब
काम आ रहा है मेरा. पर हटानी जरा टमाटर मलूंगा अभी मैं. और
Oh, and by the way, guys, Hamid and Arushi, Gary's also a dancer, so I'm looking forward to a collaboration reel sometime soon.
Oh, where
Like
is
a really good dancer.
Gary?
He's a
I'm from
dancer.
there.
देहरादून. Okay.
Arushi, आप जा रहे हो देहरादून? कुछ collaborations हैं आपके वहाँ पे?
तो जल्द मुझे लग रहा है मुझे ना इंडिया टूर करना पड़ेगा कि दिल्ली में अब रह नहीं सकती मैं.
हाँ, अभी गोवा के बाद तो मुश्किल है. So Gary, you got to sort this out. Arushi is going to come to Dehradun, do some collabs with you, and like you'll have to show around the place.
Let's shoot something.
Yes sir.
Hamid will be the cameraman and spot boy.
No problem.
और मैं यहाँ से इंस्टॉलाइज करते रहूँगा. We'll just keep promoting each other. Great. सबके followers बढ़ते रहेंगे.
Live. You're back home, sir? Nick, sorry.
Who, me? I'm in front of my famous red painting again. Yes, I'm back home.
नहीं, आप बैठे हो फिर अभी होटल की फोटो डाल के.
हाँ यार, अभी होटल के दिन गए. I'm very happy to be back home.
आरजे was
होटल की जगह योगा photographs were so on point, like so regular.
Yes, no, that's because RJ was there when I was in quarantine.
तैयार हो रहा है.
And I was doing these yoga things, so I'm like, RJ, please take some pictures because I've started this Flexible Friday hashtag. But there's a long way to go.
पर एक बात बताओ, जो आपके इतने हमने जिम सेशंस देखे, is it because you were feeling a little ऐसा कि यहाँ पे इतने सारे लड़के इतनी सही बॉडी वाले, now you need to up your game a little?
Arushi,
सर ने
do I come across as somebody who's going to be insecure about?
No, not insecure, just motivated.
No, I'll tell you what motivated me. I'll tell you what motivated me. एक साल के लिए जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है, मैं जिम के अंदर गया नहीं. And I've only been doing yoga. ठीक है, जब रोडीज की जर्नी शुरुआत हुई ना दोबारा, at that point in time I was still relatively strong, but that was September. By now, by February, जब मैं योगा भी करता हूँ, I'm feeling weak. और जब मैं पहले दिन जिम के अंदर गया, मैं एक भी पुल अप नहीं कर पाया. My own body weight when I was hanging on the bar, and I've lost 7 kilos. योगा करते करते मेरे 7 किलो कम हुए. So it's not like I've become heavier. I've become lighter, and I couldn't do one pull up. And it was, I just felt like, what the hell? And after that, the first day I tried to do over heavy weights, and I posted a couple of videos. Varun called and said, Nikhil bhai, ऐसा मत कर, तेरा technique पूरा गलत चल रहा है. And I said, yes, you're right. I have to go back to the basics. And then Ran and I started to work out together. And then Ashish also joined us. And just the three of us kind of pushing each other and just going back to doing the basics just helped me get some of that strength back. And that was really important. But I just lost all my muscle tone. I lost all my strength in that 1 year. Yoga has been great for me. It's made me like a pretzel and I can kind of bend myself into interesting shapes. But that muscle tone and strength has completely gone. And in that process, also one small shoulder injury has also come back, which I'm looking after right now. But it wasn't the boys. It was just like me personally feeling कि यार एक भी pull up नहीं हो रहा है. एक भी pull up नहीं हो रहा था. एक भी नहीं हो रहा था.
अब कितने
like now I'm back to doing 10 आराम से, but I'm still like technique is still not clean.
मतलब कह रहा है आपको फुल. सर मुझे तो लगा ऐसा ना हो कभी लड़कों में आपका भी छुपा, आप भी खड़े हो कंटेस्टेंट में. मैं तो बॉडी निकाल लिया हमारे सर ने. ऐसा ना हो.
That would have been a great sort of bakra moment. और हमारा next contestant. ये क्या कर रहा है? It would have been hilarious. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna
Kevin
count.
was here. If you want, I can go and he can come.
Is he here?
No.
Okay, wait. Then I'm gonna kick.
Loyalty should continue.
I'm gonna kick Gary off. I'm gonna kick Gary off and bring Kevin on. See you,
Bye.
Gary.
Bye.
Bye,
All the-
Gary.
Keep pushing those followers up, and we'll
Nice
stay in
to
touch.
meet you.
Bye. Okay, so there goes Gary, and
Pune Gangster?
we really need to add Pune Gangster.
He's already ruling the show.
Already.
शुरुआत अच्छी हुई है. आगे देखते हैं because there's man,
What up?
the guys and the
What's up?
Oh,
Gang
like,
is
I
back.
want to be there under the coconut tree.
Oh, the
Do it.
coconut
What
tree.
the fuck? This is a funny thing.
Hi, Kevin.
When is your internet good?
Ah, exactly.
Wait.
Kev, we were just talking about. यार इसका तो अभी अटक गया है.
इसका अटक भी गया है.
इसका कनेक्शन
Wait.
हमेशा अटकते ही रहता है.
और अटक सब.
Wait.
Waiting.
Wait.
एक तो ये
Prince
बंदा
is here. Hey, Prince.
Let's do it.
Prince, I need some help with the weight training. You were supposed to send me some supplements.
मैं भी लिख दूं. अच्छा नहीं. Kevin.
Prince's new song, man. हाँ मैं
Yeah.
ready हूँ, dude. It
I
is
was-
so catchy. मेरे जो
I-
दोस्त जो सिर्फ टेक्नो सुनते हैं ना, they can't get the song out of their head. That chorus line, हाँ मैं रोडी हूँ, हाँ मैं रोडी. It just kind of goes on, and you can't get it out of your head after that.
It was playing at a shack I was eating at, and उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया कि they're big fans of rotis, and they have a billboard
हाँ.
with Raghu and Rajiv's picture on it with the
Oh.
owner. Yeah, they're
Old school fans.
Yeah, big fan. Old school fan.
Then hi sir. इसका अटक क्या है लिख रहे.
So, Mr. Kevin, it's been a good start. Team Loyalty की अच्छी शुरुआत हुई है. Switzerland में.
Is here. Ron sir is here. Prince sir is here. Nikhil sir. Hamir, Arushi, the whole loyalty team. Wow.
Kevin is a boy.
Wow.
हाँ मैं रोड.
Hamir.
So, man, listen. When
Yes.
you were baking in the sun, we were just talking to Gary about this. It was like really hot that day.
Did you see my skin?
You're breaking up, man.
Did you see my skin?
No, Kevin.
We couldn't.
Why would we be looking at your skin?
Okay, if you watch the episode, like you see me, I'm like my bull is red, so my bull turned into a red. No?
We're catching one word in 3, unfortunately.
God, you have to.
Take the shot, Kevin.
Sorry, guys.
Kevin, show us your skin. Take
Very
the
bad.
t-shirt off and show us your skin.
Kevin, yeah, what are you doing here?
Oh. Dude, I was joking. You still have the marks.
Not the shots. Not the shots.
You still have not the shots. No.
Not the
But
shots.
dude, you still got the marks.
Yeah,
You
that's
still
what.
got the marks from the straps.
Yeah.
वो
That's
अच्छा
crazy.
खत्म हो गया इसमें से लगा. मुझे
That
लगा
was
ये
like
Crazy, yaar. Iska to
कर रहा है.
1 month later. One
That's-
month later, he still got the marks. That's crazy.
I was born. Look at this. That's crazy.
That is mad. Okay, let's just put it back on, Kev. Just no, put it back on. Put it. Thank you. Very nice. Much appreciated. So listen.
Yeah. Can you hear
Why
me?
do you think? Yeah, I can hear you. Why do you think you got 4 gold arrows? Is it because of all the stuff that you did before going to Splitsvilla? Is it because
I
you're the
think
roadies guy?
of everything. So my bio, that board that had everything. It was decent. Like it was better than most guys out there. And then I have tattoos that are visible, and all the girls knew me.
and I look like a ninja. So who doesn't like a ninja, you know? So I think I pulled it off right. But yes, I feel like most of the girls know me because of roadies, and the guy that was standing like this,
Pune gangs.
yeah,
Nikhil.
you know why he got like the second most amount of goals?
Only you can tell us.
None of the girls knew Salman was gone. And his
Oh.
face was weird
So they
and
thought
tired.
that
So
that
no
guy-
one. Exactly.
Kevin.
Interesting. So I I believe Salman had to back out of the show because he had some major health concerns, which is unfortunate. I personally was looking forward to seeing you and him on the show together.
Oh man.
But I hope he's feeling better now. I think he is feeling better now, which is good.
But my guy didn't show up.
Sorry?
I was looking forward to kicking his ass, but he didn't show up.
आरुषि ये कभी बदलेगा क्या? ये लड़का?
मुश्किल है शायद
नहीं ना?
शायद स्प्लिट्सविला में उसको अपना पीआर मिल जाए तो बदल जाए बट पता नहीं अभी मिला नहीं ना नहीं बट गुड केविन बदलना ना इसका ये बदलेगा ना इसका नेटवर्क बदलेगा
हाँ.
I'm with.
His network is
And look at that smile.
just look at this. It's frozen in that. It's frozen in the typical Kevin smile. This is 100% vintage Kevin. Anyway, so I'm really looking forward to the Splitsvilla season, man. It looks like it's going to be an amazing season. Run and Sunny looked fantastic hosting the show as well.
Do you see me?
I can
Can
see
you
you.
see
Was
me?
it Kev? Was it good? Was it good to meet Run again and to meet Sunny as well on the show?
This is Trevon. He's one of the villains.
Hey, Trevor.
Not a villain. Hi.
I'm not a villain.
How are you?
Welcome to Goa.
That. And this is Kat. She's one of the villains.
Oh yeah, we know her.
Hey, Kat.
She ran
How are
away.
you? Yeah, we saw that Kat was getting most upset when all the other girls were giving you gold arrows, which was like,
She was like, what is this? Why are the girls giving?
No, I just want to say hi. Hi.
hi, hi, we can hear you, but the picture's
Can hear
frozen.
I'm hearing it.
So the picture,
I'm glad you guys are together.
my internet sucks. So we're by the.
You really have a very bad.
Always Kevin.
Kevin's internet always sucks. It just is like,
Yeah.
It's like my
but
life,
it's,
man.
it's good to see you guys in Goa. Is Trevon your local host?
Yes,
The expert host?
Trevon is the local host. He's been hooking us up. He's from
You
Goa.
guys come to Goa, hit me up. We can chill. Nikhil, I think I've seen you in Satellite anyways. So you're pretty familiar
Yeah,
with Goa.
but the next time I come to Goa, we're definitely gonna hang out, man.
Yeah, you know Sid
We're
Armando and
definitely gonna
stuff,
hang
right?
out.
He's a friend of our
Are you friends with Armando as well?
No. Very good friend, yeah.
Oh, fantastic! Yeah, cool.
Small world.
Then we're definitely gonna hang out because Armando and I practically live in Armando's car
All
when he's
these
in
guys
Goa.
that were supposed to come to Goa with me, none of them showed up except Nikhil sir. But I didn't.
Kevin, I'm gonna kick your ass. Okay, you were supposed to come to Goa in December,
Yeah,
and you're like, "Yes, I'm coming today. I'm coming tomorrow. I'm coming day after tomorrow." You never showed up.
I was
disappeared. Yeah.
supposed to come with them, but they never showed
गोवा
up.
गोवा का प्लान ऐसा ही होता है सब लोग प्लान करते हैं सब लोग कैंसिल करते हैं
That is true.
नहीं, और जब गोवा आते हैं फिर छोड़ना नहीं चाहते हैं.
Yeah,
निकलना नहीं
we've
चाहते.
been here for like 5 days now. It's been. So did you
Okay,
guys?
listen, this
like,
network
Arushi,
sucks.
did
and
you watch
rest
the
of-
first episode?
Not yet.
Arushi wants
He
to
hasn't
watch the
watched.
first episode, but not for you. But now she's heard about all the hot guys,
Yeah.
and now she wants to go check the episode out. You, she's seen enough of on roadies. नहीं चाहिए. all the other boys, Arushi wants to check out because she just saw Gary and she's like, that's a cute boy. Very good. He's a dancer as well. Very nice, very nice.
कैरी जब पहला इतना अच्छा है तो बाकी कैसे होंगे?
Gary's definitely
Kevin?
nice. Yes, sir. You watch now. I mean,
and we're looking forward to all the rivalries in Splitsvilla as well. क्योंकि मैंने सुना कि बहुत सारे rivalries हैं. It's going to be like lit, as the word goes. Lit.
और क्या expect कर रहे हो आप? Kevin है.
I would love to. I would love to go on do my Instagram shit, you know, start, but I will wait because the rival wants me to not talk shit to him so that he gets, you know, to a club. He's not getting anything from the show right now. So I'll wait till he gets us,
We didn't.
and I'll give him because I gave him enough.
कौन सा गाना गाया इसने?
I heard I heard the word rival. You have a rival?
Yes, I do have a rival.
Don't give anything away. Don't give anything away.
I won't.
Okay.
But
Interesting.
my rival is not really a rival.
So whenever your network is good, we're going to have to do an Insta live with you and your rival.
So I
Never-
have to take your leave and
Okay, Arushi has to go. I have to go as well. This connection really sucks.
Bye
Amit,
guys.
next time, just you and me live.
Yeah.
Just you and me.
We can take Arushi as well.
Dubai stories. I thought we'll talk about that as well.
Actually, yeah, Amit, you and I'll hang out. Arushi and Kevin can go away because I really want to know what you did in Dubai, man.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
Shopping.
bye guys.
Collecting for. Love you.
Bye Kevin. Bye Arushi.
Kevin, see you. Your internet is stuck in a really bad, like, strange place. So I'm removing Kevin. Hamid, tell me, Dubai, what happened?
So Dubai was fun. Zada explore, so I didn't explore Zada. Next time I'll have to go one more time. I did aqua fun one day. It was amazing. बाकी I was with 3 ladies. तो आप क्या expect कर रहे हो? बहुत सारी shopping करी. मैं
Shopping, जो किया होगा आपने. When your shopping must have been coming out of your eyes and your ears. So
और मैं
basically all the malls, right?
shop कर रहे थे और मैं पकड़ के चल रहा था. So this was the thing.
कुछ तो काम आए ना आपके muscles वगैरह, shoulders,
हाँ.
arms आपने सब बनाए हुए हैं तो.
Roadies fan भी मिले वहाँ पे बहुत सारे.
Oh yeah, there's lots of Roadies fans in Dubai.
Yeah, like I was amazed. कि
You were on the ATVs also one day, na?
Oh yeah, went to Desert Safari one day. Last day actually. That was fun. ATV से बदला लिया मैंने. पूरा.
अब तूने मेरे को गिराया था. अब मैं तेरे को दिखाऊंगा.
और क्या रणविजय सर जब चला रहे थे मुझे अब समझ आया कि बड़े मजे से चला रहे थे. मैं तो पीछे सीख कबाब की तरह इधर उधर हो रहा था.
वो तो मैं कह रहा हूँ उस टास्क में ना सबसे ज्यादा मजा रन को आया था. Because he was like, yes, ATV मैं चलाऊंगा.
I'm sure.
Because at that point in time, they must have, ये टास्क से पहले उनका एक डिस्कशन हुआ होगा कि इसको ATV चलाएगा कौन? You know, maybe we'll get an expert from the adventure team or someone from the resort. And Ranvijay said, no. If anybody's going to ride that ATV, it's going to be me. And only.
Yeah, that was there. So what else? यही है मुझे याद. बाकी शॉपिंग करिए बहुत सारी. दुबई में 5,000 cases per day. So बहुत restrictions थी.
5,000 cases per day.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're also really ahead on the vaccination program, man.
Yeah,
It's
and
really,
they're very
really good to see that.
आप ले नहीं सकते. If you take off your mask, 3,000 dirham is the fine, which is 60,000 Indian. तो कोई सोच भी नहीं.
1,000 dirhams if you don't have a mask on.
Yeah, तो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता कि मास्क हटाए. Oh, ये भी है, Kevin. Oh, प्रखर.
ये भी है.
प्रखर तो.
Good morning, guys. So I just got up to your live. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Afternoon में से 1 बज रहे.
I went to the gym in the morning now. उसके बाद I came back and slept off. So now I just got up.
अब ये मत बोलो कि पूरी रात सोया नहीं फिर जिम गया था.
You can say that.
What were you doing the whole night, Prakhar?
So I'm preparing for an exam. I have an exam coming up. So yeah.
Preparing for an exam.
Yeah, it's a postgrad exam. April.
What subject were you studying? Let's do a quick quiz.
So it was like a amalgamation of 19 subjects of MBBS, which I have to appear for on the 18th of April. So yeah.
जो भी है सुनने में अच्छा लगा.
I know.
सुनने में
sorry?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Which
How are
are
you,
the
sir?
मेरी माँ बैठी हुई है, कह रही पढ़ ही लेता.
Back home finally.
मेरी माँ बैठी हुई है, कह रही पढ़ ही लेता जिंदगी में.
How are you?
I am very well. I saw the pictures of Dubai. You guys look like you had an amazing time.
Yes, it was really nice.
Mom was killing it on the aqua fun. आराम से कर रही थी.
Yeah, obviously. माँ किसकी है?
Hamid.
Exactly. So everything Hamid knows, he's learned from his mom.
Now Hamid is frozen. Is it?
No, Hamid is frozen. Exactly.
Hamid's like she gets sort of sloppish moments from Hamid's
If
screen.
Hamid's mom was a roadie, I think she would have kicked Hamid's ass on the show.
Definitely. Definitely. That.
Definitely.
हाँ, but sir वो आपके साथ नहीं खेलती. हाँ. मैं आपके साथ.
Hamid was listening.
Oh, whose gang would your mom be in, Hamid?
हाँ मामा, be honest.
Nikhil.
Oh, Nikhil.
नहीं, ये तो आप सिर्फ ये तो बोलने वाली बात है.
ये तो बोलने वाली.
No. On a serious note, because I know you. So Nikhil.
Nikhil, I know.
Hamid's internet connection is acting up a little bit.
No, he's
No,
coming back.
actually, it is.
नहीं, अभी ठीक है.
आप ठीक है ना? हाँ, तो मम्मी कह रही है आपके गैंग में.
Okay, but who do you think she would have been with? Whose gang would she have been with?
I
think she would have been Prince's gang.
या तो नहीं, या तो नेहा मैम या आप दोनों में से एक. अब ये
Ranvijay.
कह रही है I would stand with Ranvijay. वो नहीं देते बाप.
She should have said, Ranvijay, आप गैंग लीडर बनो, मैं होस्ट बन जाती हूँ. ये बात है.
Okay, so I have to go now. It was
Okay.
so long.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Prakhar, quick quiz question for you. See you, Hamid.
Bye.
What are the smallest bones in the body?
So carpals.
Huh?
Carpals. The carpals.
No. You should know this. Which are the smallest bones in the body? There are 3.
Ear ossicles.
Huh?
The ossicles, if you're talking about the hammer, incus, and stapes.
Yes. Malleus, incus, and stapes.
Oh, do we count
Those
them
are
as
the
a
3
bone?
small. They are bones. They are bones.
Okay, great, guys. I have to study ANT. Guys, don't judge me. Don't judge me. I just got up. I should have entered this live. I remember Vipin's dialogue. मैं dash just में आया. Vipin, credit
अगर
to
आप
you.
जो भी इसको देख रहा है और आपको समझ भी नहीं आया कि शरीर में 3 कौन से सबसे छोटे हड्डियां हैं, वो 3 हड्डियां हैं जो आपके कान के अंदर होती हैं, and they are shaped like a hammer, and malleus is hammer, the U shape,
Incus is छोटा सा. Incus.
malleus, incus, and stapes is the horseshoe one, ना?
Yeah. And इनका काम होता है to amplify the sound waves जो आप पकड़ते हो, जो आपका outer ear जो आपका sound wave पकड़ता है, इनका काम होता है amplify करके आपको अंदर inner ear पे transmit करना. I know stuff.
Yes. So
आपकी
those are
पारी
the
हो
3
रही है?
smallest. Huh?
So did you follow on the trend, the Pari Orient trends?
Oh, dude, hilarious, man. Really hilarious. I like the reel that Yupti did a lot. And
I saw Yukti's content is amazing. So I am keen to see you trying the center of gravity challenge.
मेरे से नहीं होगा भैया. मेरे से नहीं होगा.
I want to see you fall.
I should actually do that. I should do that with my wife. I'm sure she'll have a good laugh. She'll have a good laugh at me.
Perfect. So I hope everything is amazing, sir, at your side. And
All the best
the
for your
vaccine
exam as well, man.
started. Thank you so much, sir. Also, did you get yourself vaccinated?
No, man. मेरा number तो बाद में आएगा. I'm not yet over 60.
Did you
Getting
apply?
closer to 60, but I'm not yet over 60.
Oh, so we have to register in my state in UP. We have to register on the website, and then accordingly, whenever the number comes, like आज I got my dad vaccinated in the morning also. Only subh with Covishield, yeah. So I get you back
So
with what the reviews
my
are.
parents both got vaccinated in Bangalore.
Oh, great. Yeah. So it's different in different states now.
Yeah, because they right now only the over 60s and the over 45 with comorbidities are happening. I don't think it's happening for
Oh,
anybody
yeah,
else.
yeah. Because my dad is reaching 60, actually he's 60 and he has diabetes and hypertension. But nonetheless, he's chilled out. He's having fun in life. So yeah,
Cool. He's your dad. Has to be.
has to be. So I'm going to see you very soon on the other side.
Okay, man. Take care.
of
All the
yourself.
best.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.